Looking for a compact, high-performance solution to tackle electromagnetic interference in your systems? In this RS Product Spotlight video, we're featuring the Schaffner FN2070 series, now part of TE Connectivity, a filter that's engineered to keep your equipment running clean and compliant. The FN2070 is a high-performance single-phase EMC RFI filter designed to suppress electromagnetic interference in both AC and DC applications. Whether you're dealing with a noisy environment or sensitive electronics, this filter ensures smooth, uninterrupted operations. So what makes the FN2070 stand out? It has a compact design that is ideal for space constraint and easy installation, all while still having excellent EMI suppression with its high differential and common mode attenuation. It has flexible current ratings available from 1 amp to 36 amp and operates up to 250 AC and DC voltages. It has all the safety compliance you need, meeting UL, CSA, and IEC-EN standards. There are also optional versions including medical and safety critical options. The FN2070 series is a versatile solution used across industries, including industrial machinery and automation, medical equipment, consumer electronics, office and data processing systems, building automation, and single-phase motor drives. So why choose the FN2070? It provides improved safety reliability by reducing EMI-related failures, design flexibility with multiple configuration and terminal styles, meets global compliance standards, and long service life with an MTBF of over 1.5 million hours at 40 degrees Celsius. The FN2070 delivers performance, reliability, and flexibility all in one compact package. Ready to upgrade your EMI protection? Contact Schaffner, TE Connectivity, or our RS Engineering Support Group to learn more about the FN2070. Visit our RS site in the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS Product Spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.